Nina ngisanithembi. Nina anisanithembi ngicabanga ukucela iskimi esisha. Akusemi lona ngisestradini ngihamba nomfana. One of my boyfriends siyastrolla kumnandi emoli hibiri kabashe lokho fine. Kuvele ugeli lona. Ugeli uhamba nomngani wakhe bafika bayangihaka bayangibulisa kumnandi kuyahlekwa. Hayi manu antwami ula elontozeni in the mall. Ngiyokuthola kuphi ngithi mina I'm not even sure where I'm going. In my head I'm like, what are you doing? Skabareshe wenza njani uzongibuza ukuthi ngiyaphi ngihamba nomfana. Athi hayi ngifuna antwami azokubona. Amfonele ukuphi anto khona yaphendula ngila kuphi kanti uyas approach makathi unangipho. Yabona manje ihleko zakhona lezi ezinokusa ngaphakathi. Hayi ke u-auntie kena avela ayibhabaze indaba u-auntie mpho manje lona ubani u-Mr. Bouquet or u-Mr. Gucci or u-Mr. Clicks. Guys aniyenzi lento leyo. Khuzana bo-auntie benu nabogogo benu nani khuzekani if nibukela lama video nemindeni yenu ngoba i-family show lena. Uyangi-understanda? Auntie like sengiyahleka lapha yana nami ngihleka into engekho ngihleka ukukhabaresha. Ngithaya kusuye and in uyangi-understanda. Azange ngisafuna ukuphendula kakhulu and angeke ngizoni-explainela ukuthi bengihamba nobani. Niphanse nangimoshela ibag. Yabona guys, if you come for my bag, if you come for my happiness, if you come for my smiles, sizoqabana ngizoyiyeka lento engenzayo ngoba mina ngimthatha ngimfaka in my life njengomngani wami. Siyangena sayenza lento ngokutrusta ngeindaba zami. Mawungibona emall ungibona kuphi yenza ngathi angibonanga. Mina vela ngina stress, anginasi stress mina. Mangabuya ngibona nginomfana ungezi ufika uqondozela umuntu wami umuphi attention sofuna ukumsurvey ukuthi idolo lakho rindololwane yakhe lena beyivele lapha yana evidweni. No. Hayi. Ayenziwa leyo. Ngicela ukuthi masibonana kube professional. If uzongibulisa ungalibeli ugqoloza seningibona nizoze ningifake ku TikTok ngoba nina nithanda ukurecorda. Guys, sihloniphaneni isidima sami sabafana nobukhabareste because ngaphelelwa abafana, ngaphelela umjolo. Niyazi ukuthi ngiyovele ngiyamalale mina ningasangiboni. Niyangi-understand? I am living today because of abafana. I am today because of abafana. Nothing without abafana. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's that was with friends at the club? We know one time it's love in a class. I'm a poor dead. All this in the road. I'm the one with the road. Word for me, seven minutes. Oh my gosh, I almost said Togozani. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey my days, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We are on a road to 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And I am glad that you are part of this and we are going to witness it together. However, today I'm back on other business. You guys been asking for the sugar jar shenanigans and the one. So I'm here for that. But a lot has been happening in my life outside of that. The relationships are relationshiping and all of that I'm going to tell you. So when it comes to lento yama sugar jar, guys, I need to understand that ama jar, it's a variety. Kune jar like thina sesandlulela sesephenduka abathakathi abokonokono bakhona. Uyangi-understand? Amaja maningi. Kune jar yama period, kune jar yetswayi, kune jar ye vinegar, kune jar ye freezer, kune jar ye amakaka wenja, kune jar yemad. Like the jars are many. But what I have literally been doing, Mina, personally throughout the years that has actually been, pushing me, it's a sugar jar. It is a sugar jar. So it's important that you have a sugar jar as a person, as an individual. Ngizonifundisa other things. Mind you, angisisangoma sama ritual mina ne, but
what I'd like to dispel is that rituals are not something bad. Rituals, remember, abantu sibaningi, and not everybody has access to imithi, and not everybody understands imithi. But because everybody has power within themselves to activate their universes, or rather, okay, they have power to activate their universe. So rituals were there for that. Before kungena lezinto of colonizer, the way they took away your power, rituals were how about we grew up as abantu abamnyama, because those will be things that will be done to you. You understand? Kune rituals oyenzayo uma abantu bakunyanyisa bakugcina bayenzani, you do that ritual and you do that. There's a jar for that, I don't like problems in my life. That's why I jar. I jar. I'm a jar girl. Okay, I'm a jar girl. So when it comes to the sugar jar is a whole palette. It depends on what you're doing it for. But I always say, ama ritual, if we are wenza, especially if wenzela izinto zothando ini and wenzela umuntu okungasiyena wakho, the ritual that you're doing is gonna repel. Basically, it's gonna become a spell in your life, or it's gonna mess up your life. So if you know that you are doing a sugar jar, or you are doing a jar, whatever the reason, and it is for a married person, baby girl, what God has put together, no man can separate or put asunder or what. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I was once a Christian. I'm just saying what God said in his days when he was still God, and still God, and he's still God forever. So when it comes to indaba yama jar, it's very important. So we are gonna get into it right now, and I'm gonna take you through how you do the sugar jar situation. Okay. So for the sugar jar, you are gonna need sugar, water, a blue pen, a paper. So when it comes to paper, a lot of people ask, should I use a paper with lines or a blank paper? I always say use a paper without lines, but should you use a paper with lines, make sure that you tear it all the way around so that it doesn't have any edges, sharp edges. Basically, you tear it all the way around so that you are basically putting all of your energy into that, because lines are a lot of things. But anyway, should you happen, let me just be honest with you. I invest in buying Typex papers. Buy Typex papers if you want to be a jar girl, regardless of whatever jar you want to do. I will take you through the jars as we go along. So don't panic, baby. I got you. We are in this together. Okay. So what you're gonna do is that you are gonna write your intentions on the paper. Basically, ija ungayenzela for umuntu othandana naye, ija ungazenzela wena. Mina ngithanda ukuzenzela mina kakhulu because I've seen how it works in my life. If there are things that you want, whatever it is, uyayibhala phansi, you sweeten your life. So uyabhala. If ubhalela umfana, ubhalela any relationship yakho, you write down what do you want to happen, what do you want in whatever the case might be. You write all those things or answer. But let me talk to you, my loves. You see, you cannot be in a relationship and not expect ups and downs. If a relationship igoba ingqondo, igoba umqolo, and you find yourself sitting on TikTok having to watch those sad videos, he left me, hintontoni, baby girl, you have two options. You either leave that relationship or you stay. And if you leave, how are you functioning if you don't have ashwagandha in your life as a woman? Ashwagandha, you need it. You must eat the ashwagandha. So you don't pay attention to man's bullcrap. You know what I mean? You will heal forward and get a new man because you can't stay in an unhealthy relationship. So you must need to know that there's so many factors that can affect a relationship. So you need to look into all of those before you can actually embark into this. If probably you want to consult, but not everything is fine, then make that sugar jar for your relationship to sweeten your life. So my sugar jar is about my life, money, our fauna, and everything else in between. Even how I look, I write it down on the paper. I want to look beautiful. I want to glow. I want women to love me. I want men to love me. I want to look gorgeous effortlessly. And trust me, that has come to pass in my life. So it doesn't matter how many jars you want to have. I normally say I have a year jar, and I have those little jars I have on the side. So you need to invest in having those things. So when you finish writing that, you're gonna, with a pure heart, be in a good mood, put on your good music right when you're doing these things, right? And then you're gonna fold the paper towards you. It doesn't matter how many times, I'm not so fussy on that. And then once you finish folding it, you're gonna put your paper inside your jar. And then once you put it inside your jar, you're gonna put your sugar. So I love white sugar because white sugar, you know, it's not as hard to dissolve like brown sugar. And into ezimhlophe, into ezinice, ey'shelelayo, ezimunyozelayo, that's what you want. So I love to use white sugar for my jars, but I do have a jar where I use brown sugar. And that is for my spirituality, my spiritual work, and all of those other things. I have a jar for that. You understand when I say I'm a jar girl? I'm a jar. Just call me jar. So once you do that, then you're gonna fill up your jar with water and then quickly stir it clockwise 3 times and saying thank you, or Tawaza, Nyabong, whatever it is that you want to say, and then you're going to close your jar. So normally what I like to do every now and then, I go back and I revisit the jar and put more sugar inside. The sweeter the better. It is important that uyayikhulumisa. You need to shake that jar, pray over that jar, light a candle over the jar. Whatever it is that you want, you make it happen. You shake it. So whenever you shake the jar, uyayikhulumisa, you're speaking intention. Everything I want wants me more. The universe loves me. It's always taking care of me. Everything is always working out for me. You're speaking intention. Mpho, you are gorgeous. Mpho, you are beautiful. Mpho, you speak all those things. Nginabantwana bahle. Angisweli lutho. Nginendoda enhle. We understand. That's the right. So you make that your ritual. So when you know it's time for you to meditate, you go to your jar. But if you're feeling down and you're not okay, I always say stay away from your jar to avoid putting any negative energy into it, so that you're always at your purest and ready to operate in your highest frequency. But it is important that every night before you sleep, you call your power back, baby. Call it back as much as you can. I am a living testament of all these things I'm telling you, and it works, trust me. So make a jar. If nivwenzela umfana uyambiza wena, we understand that. We understand. You call them. Wena Jab, wena Sibusiso, uyangithanda wena. You tell them lana. You understand that? Because let's honestly a safer option for abantu abangafuni ukusebenzisa imithi, and it's perfectly understandable, and we are not here to judge. That's why I need to say these are spells in a way. So it's important that when you do it right. And with the other ones, I think ngizongitshela on another day or another time, because angifuni ukuhlangahlanganisa imimoya nina niyaghala nithanda izinto. Deep down inside, you have ubuthakathi. All of you. I can see you right now. You have that thing that says, I want to be savage and stuff. But I love jars. Jars are the best thing you can ever do. And because as a band, so once you have something where you've put all your intentions inside, you basically see the results. And you shake that jar. So normally what happens is that if your jar has served its term, then what you do uzothatha lawo manzi lawo inside your jar ugeze ngayo, because by the time seyisebile iphepha lelo lizobe selivithikile, uzobe ungasabona ukusobe kuyimvuthivuthi, uzovela ugeze ngayo. Uma ugeza ngayo uyakhuluma because the purpose has been served, and then you start another one. So it's December, we're almost approaching January. So those are things that you need to look at in making a jar. I have a jar for my kids. I have a jar for, I'm a jar girl. Ngujaja. But in all this, don't forget, guys, Tukuzani. Yo, I am so drained. I've been in here since 7 today, and I've been pushing Shem. And I think, you will take lightly virtual appointments until you're sitting here, because it's just 30 to 45 minutes depending on the consultations and the people, but it's been actually dragging a while. It feels like an hour feels like 2 hours, but I think amongst everything else, it's just the people's problems that are the ones that are draining me the most, yabo. But other than that, between my breaks, tea break, lunch break, I've been taking some time off. I'm trying to complete my orders and stuff. Already, you guys in Bonide, you ordered in terms of izinto zogezi and all of that. So I'm just here to talk about that. And I'm also trying to push. Remember, I took a break, so there are pending orders and stuff. People still haven't got their things, so I just need to quickly finish that up. I just wish God someday can bless me with an assistant that connects with me, because she is good, but I just feel sometimes lazy. Even today she left early due to X, Y, and Z, so I didn't ask much. Already that's saying I'm gonna take leave in early and all of that. So it's a lot. I don't want to lie to you, but I'm pushing. Just go to Muntu because of 1, 2, and 3. But let's keep it moving. So I am going to be packaging your orders. And also, I sent her to fetch labels. And the labels come back. They look so bad. What is this? What is this? What is this? How do I label your things? You can't even read this. It's even written wrong things. So I don't know. I can't put these on your things, guys. It's just not good for, so we'll make a plan how we're gonna label out your things and all of that. So I'm gonna be busy with your orders, right? I'm gonna be packaging your orders so that you guys get your orders and stuff. So I'm here to talk about that. So let's take things on ama combos that are gonna be split into 2. Kune combo yokala, which is 250 rand, which is 250 rand. So in that combo, you're gonna get into eyogeza, right? Which is umuti. It is a bit tagier for wena eyogeza, right? And then you can also steam with that for abufana, right? And anything else, right? And then I'm also going to add something for you that you're going to be able to put in 20 ogobayo. So if you say don, uzothatha lento le uyenze lapho phakathi kwedon uyifake lapho so that ugcobise yona lento leyo. Uma ugcobisa ufuna izinto ezihlangana nabafana ezihlangobuzana nabafana yebo. All right, and then the package number 2 is the one that is gonna be 500 rands. 500 rand, what you are gonna get, uzothola lento yokugeza engikhulume ngayo, uthole lento ozoyifaka phakathi kwalento yokugcoba. Kunensipho eyama-herb engintholele yona i-right, guys. Iyakwazi iklina imomo, iphathe kahle imomo yakho ukuthi ibe nice, ibalansise i-pH yayo, iyenzeni. So izokwenza nje ukuthi wena imomo yakho ibe right, ibe nani inje ithandeke imomo yakho, ibe na that stum leyo. So that's what I'm gonna add for you. And then on the 4th kunomuthi wekhandlela eli-pink engukufakela wona. So loyo muthi loyo uzoza entweni, right? Loyo muthi loyo uzowusebenzisa ngekhandlela eli-pink. Uzosebenzisela umuntu wakho or umuntu wakho lomfunayo, whatever the case might be. But kindly note, lezi zinto lezi azisebenzi uma ubiza umuntu womunye umuntu. Zisebenza kuphela uma ubhekane nomuntu okusukelile obhekane nawe and etc. So that is basically that. So lezi zinto engiyibalile, guys, ukuthi sisizakale siba amantombazana sithandeke sibe right. So I'm going to make sure that at least whatever engikufakela yona kuba into that is going to actually last you. But if wena unomkhopolo, you are actually going to overuse this and attract abafana abaningi bese awusakwazi ukulala, abafana baduma ekhanda baningi, and bese ucabanisa impilo yakho ngenxa yabafana abaningi. You understand? But yiyo lesifunayo abafana abaningi. But kulabo bafana abaningi mabayenze into ezi-right, bakuphe imali bayenze ini angitho. Then bese kunalena ne engiyibiza ukuthi isimonyo ne, isimonyo le lema uyifuna so ibhodlela leli, like ibhodlela leli. This was yummy, but angisayisebenzisi kakhulu lento. But because this thing is dangerous, why I say this, amafutha ngeke ngitshela ukuthi amafutha wani lento lena izokubangela i-traffic eyongakazi uyibone. So isimonyo lesi mawusifuna siyi 500 rand, right? Sisodwa so ebhodleleni. Isimonyo lesi sisebenza into eziningi uyasigcoba lana uma uzohamba emashiyeni wakho iyamafutha inosabu smell nje sayo but yona iyakubangela ke itraffic mangabe ufila ukuthi wena umuntu lazy when it comes to imithi so isimonyo sisodwa kanje si 500 rand say 500 rand and then bese sometimes kunenye engibiza ngokuthi ilimeli imnandi leyo ke uyayithatha le nto leyo uzoyifaka la ngaphansi kolimi wakho bese ke le nto leyo uzoyisebenzisa uma ukhuluma nomuntu wakho efonini noma usebenzisa umuthi wekhandlela but lezi zinto lezi enginibalela zona if you want to buy them separately they are gonna be priced separately but ama combo lawa combo lawa I'm only making them for 30 okay let's say 20 people maximum 30 people amadoda amancane guys abafazi sibaningi so asikwazi ukuphelelwa amadoda ngenxa yokuthi ninomhobholo so I'm just trying to say ukuthi I'm working tirelessly ukunenzela because igiga yami ayisayenzi kahle igiga ayisangiphi mani le umfulena because nayo gogo nomkhosi akafuna ukuyenza kahle so mele ngizenzele mina ukuthi at least yona ihlale 150% because angithandi ukusebenzisa le mithi le yasemawadwad le yokugaya imithi yakhe ihlangana nemithi abanye abantu and umuthi uyahlonishwa njengamanje mangicela futhi ngiyikhulekele lezi zinto ngenzeni so ngiyavala nge23 so when you placing an order just send a WhatsApp and say gogo I'm booking I'm paying for the 200 what combo ungasakhuluma into eziningi ngizoniposela ngoPep because masenza amanye ama courier services kuba nenkinga so make sure that so depositile mawufuna ama deposit deposita and then bese sakudepositela and then after depositing for you bese ke uzositshela iPep nearest to you so because I don't know what date it is today ilanga la kaNkulunkulu ama order azoqala ke aphume kahle kulamalanga azayo bese ke we take it from there you understand so please guys lena ke uyayikhulumisa sithandwa sami oh my lord into zethu zasebusuku ngaze ngakhumbula uyayikhulumisa uyitshele the way uyagcobisa lana mangabe mina ke ngiyilabantu abajulukayo so normally what I do is put it inside my serum yabo your face serum bese uyayisebenzisa lento le bafazi ngiyanitshela ngiyanikhuza ngiyanithanda mina anyeke ube intombazana unganazinto ozisebenzisayo apart from abafana or whatever but if wena awufuni next ezokwenza inini mina lezi zinto lezi it's not even about abafana but ngiyenzela abafazi ukuthi nibe right and then ke maso kuneyinkinga ezideep ke unesichitho unento ifana nalezo inini then that is a different situation kuyafuneka ke ukuthi mina now mele sihlale phansi either uya consulta and then we take it from there but please take yourself seriously intombazana ayigezi ngamanzi kuphela you don't do that mistake awulali ilanga lize liphume likushisa idzitsi uyavuka uloye wenza into zakho ilanga lakho libe right you understand mina ngiyanithanda ngiyanibhekela and futhi ngizonisiza abafana abasithandi guys abafana abasithandi but umsebenzi wethu ukuthi bazelana phambi kwethu basihlekise basenze yonke lento esifunayo you understand so ungathi ke masuqalile usebenzisa lezi zinto bese uvula inyawo uvule nesibeletho don't open your legs and your womb just open your legs ne open your legs nana open your legs all directions of the world but don't open kunamafutha bengisafuna ukwathaka lawo but now it is for that side because ngiyazi ukuthi thina abantu abesifazane si sensitive ngale but lensipho lena I am personally using it and I can tell you I'm happy with the result so please can we do the right thing senze into eze right ngiyanithanda bona na Guys, please don't forget the number to place order at 079-816-0199. Kune combo ayo 250, kune combo ye 500, kune simunyo, kuningi nje kuyaphithizela. Please be specific what you are ordering for and orders will be sent through via PEPs. We are not using any other courier services because we've had problems in the past. So please make sure that you locate your nearest PEP and send us the accurate details. So once all orders have been sorted, we will send out details and you will be let known what is what. So don't worry, your secret is safe with us as long as wena uzodliwa ube muhle. Don't forget, guys, open your legs, not your womb, guys. Did you see the economy? Did you see the type of men that Enigma has produced? You understand that? So it's a lot to date a man and fall pregnant for him. What are you thinking? And if abafana flames, don't come on social media and cry about boys. Boys don't love us. They will always hate us. Just invest in ashwagandha, drink it while you heal, find a new man, leave ashwagandha, and then move on and find another one. Jalo jalo. But that's why I say keep your options open and date them all. So my list is still standing where it's standing. It's standing where it's standing. I'm still standing with the amount of people you know. It's just that Mr. Gucci booked for a consultation, guys. I don't know why. He booked for a consultation and he paid 5,000 rand for a consultation. So I can't reject him. So angazi ngigcoka amakwayikwayi newiki ngenza ama-eyelash ngilanga le consultation because he can't catch me looking like a hobo, baba. Because when I'm in the room, I look like a hobo. Yeah! But anyway, I don't know kuzoyenzakalani. But guys, angifuni mina yazi lento lo mfana ngathi uza ngama-flames yazi. I don't know yazi.